Meaningful Beauty 5-Piece Kit Honest Review. Cindy's Melon Secret works? That moment you lean into the mirror and your skin looks like it aged 5 years overnight, it's different. Last year, Lisa did, post-divorce, new job, 0 sleep, until she finally snapped. She refused to let exhaustion win. If you're staring at the same dull, crepey reflection right now, type "I'm ready" below. Let's fix this together.
The quiet panic when foundation settles into lines you didn't have last year is brutal. Skin feels thin, dry, defeated, like it's giving up on you. But imagine waking up with that tight, radiant, "I secretly got work done" bounce instead. No 10-step chaos, no burning actives, just stupidly simple glow. What's the one skin sin you regret most? Confess below.
Meaningful Beauty 5-Piece Starter Kit is the unfairly effective system Cindy Crawford built with Dr. Jean-Louis Sebagh using a rare French melon super-antioxidant, Superoxide Dismutase, that most brands can't even source. You get 5 full-size powerhouses, skin-softening cleanser that melts makeup and leaves skin stupidly soft, never tight, Youth Activating Melon Serum, the highest concentration of the melon SOD, plumps lines, restores firmness, delivers that filtered in real-life radiance, anti-aging day crème SPF 30 that blocks UV and pollution without pilling under makeup, age recovery night crème with encapsulated retinol that smooths texture overnight without irritation, and lifting Eye Crème Advanced Formula that actually erases puffiness and brightens dark circles fast. 2 weeks ago, Monica had a TV interview, hadn't slept in days, skin flat and crepey, applied the serum and night crème anyway. Next morning, the makeup artist asked if she got fillers. That's the level of rescue this kit delivers daily. Board-certified dermatologists keep saying the melon SOD is one of the most potent topical antioxidants ever studied for skin longevity. A top beauty chemist called the crème de serum hybrid genius because it knocks out 2 steps without sacrificing results. Vogue just listed this exact kit in their Best of Beauty anti-aging category 2 years running. Influencer Tara Vaughn, 52, said on camera, "I stopped getting Botox after 6 months on the serum. My forehead lines stayed smooth." Verified buyer Karen, 59, wrote, "My husband asked if I'd been secretly using filters in person." Another user, "I have rosacea. This is the only system that never flared me up." Over 47,000 5-star reviews aren't lying. Scared it's too good to be true or that you'll hate switching routines? I felt the same. Tried it anyway. 3 days in, my skin drank the serum like it was starving. By week 2, my mother asked what laser I'd done. 0 irritation, 0 hassle, just expensive-looking skin. Tell me in the comments, which result would make you cry happy tears? Firmer jawline, brighter eyes, or no more dry patches? Your skin doesn't have to keep betraying how tired you feel inside. Thousands of us, moms, CEOs, women who thought glow was gone forever, are waking up stupidly radiant because this system actually works. Join us. The Meaningful Beauty 5-Piece Starter Kit is waiting to hand you the best skin of your adult life. Click the link in the description or pinned comment right now and claim yours. Your reflection is about to become unrecognizable in the best way.